So in this section, let's see what exactly is tune section, what is rotor models, and how we can import models, and like the marketplace model deployments. These two are really small things. The main thing is like the rotor models. So here we can add different models into our rotor, and Amazon Bedrock's intelligent prompt routing automatically routes our request to different models. So it checks whichever is the uh, there is a criteria on which it decides which model to choose. Let's see how to do that. So now we can configure our own prompt, like prompt router. So it routes our prompt to different models. Let's say example 1, and you can describe something here. Example of prompt router. I can add only 2 models. So let's add Nova Pro, apply, and we can also add Nova Lite, apply. So fallback. So what is the fallback model? So fallback model is the one which Nova Lite will be the primary model, the other model will be the fallback model. So most probably we should choose our primary model to be less cost effective, so that all the main request goes to our primary model. But if a certain criteria is not met, then it goes to our fallback model, which is Nova Pro. And the routing criteria, this is the main thing here. Our primary model is Nova Lite and our fallback model is Nova Pro. Let's say if we choose 10 as our response quality difference, so if the response from our primary model, which is Lite, is the difference between the response of our primary model and the response of our fallback model, which is Nova Pro, if it is greater than 10%, then the prompt will be given to fallback model, which is Nova Pro. If it is less than 10%, like the answer you get from both of these models, if you evaluate them, if the answers are like difference is like less than 10% in quality, then most probably our routing model selects our primary model, which is Nova Lite, which is less costly for us. That's how the entire prompt routing system creates. You can create one, you can use this such a prompt router in your application. It's really good. But there are 2 other sections, which is import model. This is for importing your own models or SageMaker models, something like that. Instead of foundational models, if you want to add your own models or SageMaker models into prompt router, you use this one. So this is this one which says like SageMaker model. And marketplace model deployments, you can look at the model catalog here. There are many other models apart from foundational models based upon the inputs, outputs. There are so many people who developed models, like 12 labs. You can come here, and there is Bedrock Marketplace, where different models are optimized based upon different use cases. So you can find many models. These are foundational models, but you can also look at input modalities. I think Bedrock Marketplace, this is where you see different models. See, there are different models from different providers. And text, there are the highest one is text based models, many things. So you can add all these models apart from foundational models. Yeah, now the main part is going to be build. Let's see if I can do some kind of application where I use every part of build system, like adding knowledge bases and then creating agents and then adding flows, also using guardrails and managing our own prompts. And see you in next section. Don't miss it, because this is the most important part of entire Amazon Bedrock console. Yeah, see you guys.